I'm aware of what my delusion is. I have real delulu. You know, I have real delusion.
This really is a girly podcast.
Yeah, hell yeah, girl pod, dead ass. But it's like I'm aware of what my delusion is. My delusion isn't real. It's not fact. When I say feelings aren't real, I'm literally meaning that those are your feelings. That's not the overlining end all be all. You know.
I guess I can see what you're saying in that sense.
That comes from a male leadership perspective. I'm really close with my dad. I talk to my dad all the time. I talk to my stepdad. I bring them things that I'm dealing with, and sometimes we chop it up as, you know, don't worry about it. It's not even a thing. I talk to my boys on road. My boys on road. Shout out to them. It's like I'll be the one to be like, that's not real. What she said wasn't real. Just take care of business.